What if what's left of this short life we are given here on Earth could be transformed into a fulfilling journey into the human experience? What if it's true that all you needed to do to participate in this journey is to give up everything you own, and in return you get back all your freedom, and that is the human experience? What if this journey of joining the human experience overcomes the fear of doing it? What if it didn't matter how many times we changed our mind on the direction of this journey, because one unknown adventure always leads into the next unknown adventure, which in turn leads into another unknown adventure, and it continues to unfold forever? What if instead of worrying what the future will bring for us, we start enjoying the future as it unfolds for us? What if we choose not to control any aspect of the future anymore?
C-19, into the belly of the beast we go.
On July 31st, 2020, we said goodbye to our past and our traditional 9-to-5 jobs in information technology and said hello to our future in pursuit of an ever-improving life to come. We made the decision to travel the world, meet new people, share the human experience, and reflect on everything that's good in life. In order to do this, we practically needed to get rid of everything we owned and get used to living with less. If it wasn't essential, we sold it, gave it away, or threw it out. It was those things you think you're going to use, that you might need someday, that you're keeping just in case, that really held us hostage from pursuing this dream. Quoting Chuck Palahniuk, the author of Fight Club, "The things you own end up owning you. It's only after you lose everything that you're free to do anything."
This is where we're going. Cabo, baby.
We've chosen this unusual way of life, and as a result, we are now completely stress-free and happy. We don't worry about job security, reporting to our bosses, being accountable, planning and saving for retirement, mortgages and household bills. We don't regret our decision to get rid of everything. Travel has made us realize the pointlessness of material possessions. We're happier than ever before. Everything we own fits into a carry-on and a knapsack. Happiness comes in many forms for many people, but for us, we find our joy through traveling and participating in the human experience.
So this plane holds 150 people, about 1/3 capacity. So today, everybody's riding first class in Southwest. Are you excited yet?
Yes.
Good. I am too.